Sri Lanka has declared an economic emergency to contain a surge in food prices. The currency has been plummeting amid a foreign exchange crisis. Private banks have run out of foreign reserves, making it impossible to pay for imported goods. The government has promised to regulate the prices of basic food items, but it's a short-term solution for a country facing mounting debt.
Coupling with a global supply chain issue and the pandemic situation, which has affected particularly tourism industry in the country. So usually it would bring in a couple of US dollars, billions of US dollars into the country. We are seeing when you couple that with import bans and with expansionary monetary policy, the prices of essential goods and services are rising at quite an alarming rate.
Well, for more on this, let's speak to journalist Waruna Karuna-tilake, who joins us now from the Sri Lankan capital, Colombo. Welcome to the program, Waruna. Among other things, this economic emergency gives authorities the power to seize basic food items such as rice and sugar in order to rein in prices and prevent hoarding. Can you tell us more about what it involves? What more does this emergency declaration mean?
The emergency declaration means that the Commissioner General of the Essential Services, who was appointed yesterday, who is a Major General in the Sri Lankan Army, he is empowered to find and seal storing houses where essential food items are stored illegally, because the law in the country is that essential food item importers must inform the government agency where they are storing their goods, the amount, and they have to get approval to do that. So wherever that has not been done, they can raid the place, seal it, and then government can take it over. So they did that today. They sealed 3 or 4 storing facilities that have been storing large quantities of sugar. They sealed that, and today they took over 4,200 metric tons, and they will sell it as what they call the control price, and give the importer that money, not the current market price, which is about $0.50 more than the control price. That goes for paddy as well. They have sealed about 5 or 6 illegal paddy storage facilities. And yeah, so they're basically telling the importers and the local buyers that they can't vote and wait for the prices to go up and then release it to the market. Yeah.
We know that Sri Lanka's economy was in bad shape even before the pandemic. How did it get to this point?
It was in bad shape before the pandemic, yes, but then the pandemic really made it much worse, because to control the pandemic, the vaccines, the injections that you have to buy, all of it has to be imported. And we were already stuck. And then the single biggest net foreign exchange earner was tourism. was about $4.5 billion a year and increasing very quickly. Now that went to zero. And then with various closed lockdowns, exports got seriously affected. So take both of those together, the
Yes.
dollar income went down dramatically, but the imports, and the needed imports continue to be the same or even grow.
Okay. Waruna Karuna-tilake, we will have to leave it there, but thank you so much for giving us that update from Colombo.